activity for the poor, for the illiterate. So being involved in farming was considered to be done by people who are illiterate, who have no any other option. But there was that vacant land which was there. And my father was paying money for food, for health, for the clothing, for everything. So there was need for another source of income. So my mother decided to get involved in farming, and she started by growing maize and beans. And this was the best thing, because after 3 months, we had maize and fresh beans. That was one of the best moments at home. I will never forget the day when we went to the garden to pick maize and grilled maize at home. And we had grilled maize. It was the best moment. So she started doing farming. She grew beans, she grew maize, and we had food. And at that time, selling was not easy. The cash crops were majorly coffee, cotton, tea. So people would not easily buy the maize and everything. So whatever was grown was eaten at home. So when my mother got involved in farming, we got food. It was really nice. So she started growing crops, and we had the food. Now she had to think outside the box. We had the food. My father was no longer paying for the food, but she needed to get some income to supplement my father's income. And that is when she started growing vegetables. She grew tomatoes, she grew cabbages.